Hello again, and we are now going to be singing a song called Here Comes a Bluebird. Today has been kind of about eggs. So first we started off with a little bit of an Easter egg song. We talked about dinosaurs hatch from eggs. Now we're going to do some bluebirds. So our song goes like this. Here comes a bluebird in through my window. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Takes him a partner, hops in the garden. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Now you notice I have my sticks. The first couple times that I sing this, I'm just going to be using them to tap the beat. However, if you're at home and you don't feel like tapping the beat this time, you can choose any movements you want. You could have them fly like your bluebirds. And again, mine aren't sticks, they're spoons from my kitchen. You could have them fly like bluebirds. You could have them hop in the garden, because eventually that's what we're going to be doing together. But for this time, our second time through, I'm just going to tap that rhythm again. Here we go. Here comes a bluebird in through my window. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Takes him a partner, hops in the garden. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Excellent. All right, steady beat down. Now let's try it with the movements. So we're going to say, here comes a bluebird. We're going to have him fly in, and then they're going to hop in the garden the second time. 1, 2, here we go. Here comes a bluebird in through my window. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Takes him a partner, hops in the garden. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Excellent! You might notice we're kind of doing a pattern. We're doing a movement, and then we're tapping our beat. We're doing a movement, and we're tapping our beat. Excellent job. Now this time I'm going to change it up. I'm going to have my bluebird go swimming. So I'm going to say, here comes a bluebird swimming in the pool. And then the second time I'm going to say, takes him a partner, and they went skiing. So the second time they're going to go skiing in the snow. You ready? 1, 2, here we go. Here comes a bluebird swimming in the pool. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Takes him a partner and they go skiing. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Nice job. All right, this time let's think of something else silly. I'm going to have my bluebird play the violin. So I'm going to put one of my sticks on my shoulder. The other stick I'm going to move it across it, just like it's a bow on strings. Nice job. So the first time I'm going to say, here comes a bluebird playing violin. And the second time I'm going to say, here comes a bluebird with silly ears. I'm going to put my sticks on my head and make them like ears. Are you ready? 1, 2, here we go. Here comes a bluebird playing violin. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Takes him a partner with his silly ears. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. All right, last time, I'm going to leave some space for you to put in something that you think is silly and fun. So you could, really, you could do anything. You could do that he's going to draw on the carpet and use your stick like a crayon. You could say that he's going to play the piano and put your sticks out here and use your fingers like a piano. There's no limit to the possibilities. So I'm just going to leave some space this time for you. 1, 2, here we go. Here comes a bluebird. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Takes him a partner. Hey, diddle-llama day, day, day. Really nice job. Thanks for playing sticks with me.